Hello, everybody.
Hi.
This is my wife, Amanda.
How are you? They're good.
Yeah. The
No,
computer
yeah.
is talking back. It's like, we're good.
Yeah.
We're good. Hello.
I bet you everyone in their head, they were like, oh, I'm good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So we were coming home on the Skytrain, and Chris pulls out his Rubiks Cube, and he decides to do it in front of all these people. Now, Chris, you've seen, if you watch any of my videos, you'll see with RubiksCubeChris. So he's what would you call RubiksCubeChris? He's an addict.
It's Chris.
He's an addict. He loves Rubik's cubes, and he can solve the 3x3 Rubik's Cube like the traditional original Rubik's Cube.
The one that you all probably have somewhere in a box.
Yeah, and you take off all the stickers and line them all up, and then you solve it. He can solve one of those in under 30 seconds. Typically, his solves are like 22, 23 seconds, so he's pretty good. So we were on the Skytrain, and he was solving it in front of some people, and we shot some video. So.
And here's the video.
Here's Chris.
Go. You're blurry. Very good.